Hey, it's the Killer Rich 51 back again with another video. Today we'll be taking a look at the Mophie Juice Pack Access for the iPhone XR. You can pick it up on Amazon. Links are in the description. The price $99.95. So you're looking at $100. So you get three colors to choose from. You get black, blue, and red. As you see, I have the black color right here. So let's go over the features right on the box. So it says lightning port access, wireless input/output. It says protective battery case with lightning port access and wireless charging. You get 31 hours of battery, wireless charging. At the back it says 80 hours music playback, 31 hours talk time, 19 hours video playback, 18 hours web browsing. So this is a 2200 milliamp. So let's open this up. It says raised corner, compact design, wireless input/output, priority charging. Down here it says wirelessly charge your iPhone and juice pack access. So let's take a look at what we get inside. Okay, so inside we get is the case, of course. So here's the case. Let's set it off to the side. So let's see what else we get. So inside we get is a USB Type-C to USB-A. So now the new feature is it has USB Type-C now. It used to be micro USB, so now it's USB Type-C. And then of course we get the usual books and shit, so let's just pluck it and file it to the side. So here's the case itself. So as you see, it looks pretty cool. And so yeah, so this hump is the same as the Apple smart battery case. So I did a smart battery case unboxing. If you haven't checked that out, links are in the description. So as you see, so this is the same thickness as you see here. But other than that, the access down here is open, as to Apple's is not open, as you see. And so yeah, also what's new is there's no more lightning port, as you saw. So on the old one, the lightning port, as you see, so on the old Mophie you get the lightning port. So this is for the 6S. I also did an unboxing of this. If you haven't checked it out, links are in the description as well. So yeah, so there's no more lightning port, as you see, and it's pretty cool. And so yeah, so now let's go ahead and slap the phone into the case. So here's my XR. If you haven't checked out the unboxing, links are in the description as well. So what I like about this is easy to slide on and off. That's because I have a screen protector at the back. As you could see, with the Apple one, it's hard to take on and off with the screen protector on, but with the Mophie, it's easy to slide on and off. So as you see, so I slide it on. So this is sliding it off. As you see, it's easier to take it on and off with the Mophie than the Apple smart battery case. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the case intact, as you see here. So over here you get a cutout for the mute and silent switch. We get our volume up and down, which is very tactile. So down here is wide open, as you see. You get full access to the lightning port, and then here's your USB Type-C, and then you get a LED indicator, as you see here. And then right here you get your power button, of course. So let's check the power button. As you see, it works. And then at the back you get the camera cutout, of course, and then you get the Mophie logo, as you see. And then right here you get a power indicator here. So mine's at 100, as you can see. So it's 25, 50, 75, 100. And then if you tap and hold, it will charge your device. So let's go ahead and try that out. Boom, as you see, it's charging my iPhone here, as you see. So then to turn it off, you just tap and hold it again. And boom, as you see, it turns off. Okay, so now let's grab a USB Type-C cable. So here I have a USB Type-C cable. So then you can charge your phone with the case on it. As you see, it's charging my phone. And with the case, as you see here, so it's pretty cool. And then you get a little LED indicator down here, as you see. So that's pretty cool. Sorry for the camera knocking there. Okay. And you also get wireless charging. So let's get a wireless charging pad here. Okay. So now let's check if there's wireless charging. And boom, as you see, we get wireless charging, as you could see there. And you can tell by the LED indicator there. And so yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give this video a big thumbs up. Helps me out on this channel. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias. Links are in the description. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also turn on that bell notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Peace.